Welcome to our latest video where we bring you the top 7 best Aliexpress drone. Whether you're a beginner looking to get into the world of aerial photography or an experienced pilot on a budget, we've got you covered with some incredible options that won't break the bank. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the world of affordable drones together. All the links are in the description below the video. Subscribe our channel and click on the bell. Let's go.
Introducing the S138 Drone, your ultimate aerial companion. Are you ready to take your drone flying experience to the next level? Say hello to the S138 Drone, the perfect blend of innovation and performance. Featuring cutting-edge technology and a host of incredible features, this drone is designed to elevate your aerial photography and videography game like never before. With 8K dual cameras, you can capture stunning high-resolution images and videos with ease. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this drone is your perfect companion for all your aerial adventures. Equipped with brushless power and advanced features like adjustable speed, gravity sensing, and trajectory flying, this drone offers unparalleled stability and control. Experience the freedom of flight with a remote control distance of up to 1,200 meters. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or enjoying a fun flight session, this drone has got you covered. Compact, portable, and easy to carry, the S138 Drone is the perfect gift for drone enthusiasts of all ages. Unleash your creativity and see the world from a whole new perspective with the S138 Drone. This drone has 4.8 rating on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. Get your hands on the S138 Drone now and take your drone flying experience to new heights. Order yours today and soar above the rest with the S138 Drone. Introducing the latest innovation in aerial photography. This S2S Mini Drone, your perfect companion for capturing breathtaking moments from above. Feast your eyes on this mini drone, equipped with a professional 8K HD camera for crystal clear imagery. With built-in obstacle avoidance and brushless motors, experience seamless flights with no hindrances. Compact and portable, this S2S Mini Drone boasts a foldable design for easy transport and storage. Record your adventures in unparalleled quality with electronic image stabilization and 8K HD video recording. Experience optimized flight performance with a remarkable flight time of up to 25 minutes. Enhance your aerial photography skills with optical flow technology and a powerful 50x optical zoom. From its convenient folding size of 13.6 cm x 11.2 cm x 8.3 cm to an impressive X-pan size of 16.7 cm x 18 cm x 8.3 cm, versatility meets functionality with this S2S Mini Drone. This drone has 4.5 rating and 1,000 plus units sales on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. Elevate your photography game with this S2S Mini Drone, the perfect blend of style, performance, and innovation. S2S Mini Drone, redefining aerial photography one flight at a time. Introducing the revolutionary M1S Drone. Feast your eyes on the M1S Drone, the ultimate aerial photography companion. With 3 high-definition cameras and an 8K electric adjustment, capturing stunning images and videos has never been easier. Equipped with intelligent obstacle avoidance and brushless motors, the M1S Drone soars through the skies effortlessly, avoiding obstacles with precision. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, the M1S Drone has got you covered. Experience hands-free flying with features like Follow Me and enjoy real-time video streaming with FPV capability. Get ready to unleash your creativity with gesture recognition, 360 degrees rolls, and trajectory indication. The M1S Drone lets you capture mind-blowing shots from every angle. Thanks to optical flow positioning, hovering, and brushless power, the M1S Drone delivers unparalleled stability and control. This drone has 4.3 rating and 600 plus units sales on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. Take your aerial photography to new heights with the M1S Drone. Elevate your adventures, capture the extraordinary, and experience true freedom in the skies. M1S Drone, your gateway to limitless exploration. Get yours today. Introducing the S6S Mini Drone, the pinnacle of aerial photography technology. With 4K GPS dual cameras, this drone lets you capture every breathtaking moment from above with professional HD quality. Equipped with advanced features such as one-key takeoff and landing, gravity sensor technology, and HD image transmission, this mini drone ensures a seamless flying experience. Take full control with the convenience of mobile phone control and enjoy stable hover capabilities for steady aerial shots. Immerse yourself in a new world of possibilities with VR 3D mode and let gesture recognition capture your movements with precision. Need for speed? Switch gears instantly with the speed switch function and capture stunning beauty shots effortlessly. Say goodbye to orientation confusion with headless mode. making flying your drone as easy as a breeze. Whether you're a professional photographer or a drone enthusiast, this S6S Mini Drone is your ultimate companion for capturing unforgettable moments from a new perspective. This drone has 5 rating on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. S6S Mini Drone, redefining the way you capture the world. Order yours today and elevate your aerial photography game. Introducing the MIJIA K911 drone equipped with professional GPS technology and 3 high-definition cameras for the ultimate aerial photography experience. In a world where adventure knows no bounds, immerse yourself in breathtaking views and capture every moment with this drone. Get ready to elevate your photography game with features that go beyond the ordinary. With 4K, 6K, and 8K HD video recording capabilities, every detail is crystal clear, every moment is captured in stunning clarity. Switch between 3 cameras seamlessly, allowing you to explore different perspectives and unleash your creativity. Fly confidently with IR obstacle avoidance and GPS mode, ensuring a safe and obstacle-free flight every time. Powered by a brushless motor, this drone delivers smooth flights and high-quality images with resolutions ranging from 4K to 8K pixels. Capture wide-angle shots with a 90-degree adjustable camera, giving you the flexibility to frame your shots just the way you want. Experience convenience like never before with intelligent flight modes such as Return of the Fugitive, Low Battery Return, and One Key Return for a safe and hassle-free flying experience. Experience the ultimate freedom of flight with 5G HD image transmission, bringing you real-time, high-definition views from the sky. This drone has 4.9 rating and 150+ units sales on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. Elevate your photography and explore the world from new heights with the MIJIA GPS K911 Drone. Get ready to redefine aerial photography with the perfect blend of innovation and precision. Introducing the KF110 Drone, your gateway to a world of limitless exploration and breathtaking aerial photography. With this mini drone, adventure knows no bounds. Let's dive into its features that set it apart from the rest. Featuring a cutting-edge 4K 2-axis PTZ HD dual camera, this Zero captures crystal clear images and video like never before. Equipped with a powerful brushless motor, this ensures a smooth and stable flight experience, even in challenging conditions. Take your photography to new heights with high-definition picture transmission and long-distance control, providing you with unparalleled creative freedom. Experience true innovation with intelligent following, headless mode, gesture recognition, and intelligent zoom capabilities, making every flight a seamless and immersive experience. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or a beginner, this drone's intuitive controls, including one-button takeoff and landing, make it easy for anyone to enjoy the thrill of aerial exploration. This drone has 5 rating on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. Elevate your perspective and unlock a world of endless adventures. Get yours today and soar to new heights. KF110 Drone, where imagination takes flight. Introducing the S9S GPS Drone, the ultimate companion for capturing stunning visuals from the sky. Equipped with a state-of-the-art 4K professional 8K HD camera and a 2-axis gimbal, this S9S GPS Drone ensures ultra-smooth, high-definition aerial photography with anti-shake technology. Thanks to its GPS positioning, optical flow positioning, brushless power, and laser obstacle avoidance capabilities, you can pilot this with confidence in any environment. Take control of your creativity with the front-facing 4K 2-axis pan-tilt camera, allowing you to capture dynamic shots from different angles with ease. Not only does this GPS drone offer unparalleled image quality, but it also features USB intelligent charging for convenient power management, with a rechargeable 7.4 volts 1600 mAh battery providing up to 25 minutes of flight time. This S9S GPS drone is always ready to soar to new heights. This drone has 4.9 rating on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this drone to you. Elevate your photography game with the S9S GPS Drone, your partner in capturing stunning aerial footage like never before. Get yours today and let your creativity take flight. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you have not seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.